Are making your Christmas dinner menu. This one probably already has, and checking it twice.
Okay, my sister does Christmas.
Okay,
this
good.
time. Corporate executive chef Brandon Collins knows his way around the kitchen, and he's mastered combining flavors for a unique fusion to entice your taste
Sounds
buds.
very nice. Chef Brandon Collins joins us this morning with some inspiration to make your holiday spread merry and bright. Welcome, sir, to New York Living.
How's it going? How's it going? Thank you for having me.
Chef, thank you for coming. Seriously, look at this
Awesome.
spread.
Everything looks delicious. We are, in fact, going to, just so everyone is clear, we eat for real. Like when
Awesome.
folks bring food, we don't do a fake taste. We eat.
Perfect. That's the whole idea,
As
right?
long as the food is real.
Be that as it
Oh,
may.
well, then we can't eat this half.
No!
All right, I knew that brownie looked too perfect. All right, brass tacks. Who's the main cook in your abode for the holidays?
That is definitely me. I am adamant that I cook, and my family is very adamant too, because they're like, I don't want to cook for a chef. And I'm like, yeah, the best thing I've ever eaten is something that I didn't make, but.
Interesting.
Wow.
So no days off, no
And
rest for the weary.
What is your
Not at all.
favorite dish to make during the holiday season?
So honestly, it's something I don't even cook. It's my grandmother's cheese ball. It's just,
Oh, thank you for bringing the cheese ball back. We talked about this yesterday.
Do you roll it in pistachios?
I roll it in Carl Budding's ham. Or Carl Budding's beef. It's very specific. Like, it's my grandmother's. I grew up on it. I crave it every time I go to her house.
Okay.
And it's something that my family, like, I have to make it I didn't bring it. I'm sorry.
I was going to say you're going to have to come back.
Next time.
Shame.
See, I'm planning ahead.
Okay, that's fine. All right, let's get started. You have brought quite an elaborate and an interesting array of dishes with us. So let's start from over here. You tell me where we're starting.
So we'll start over here. So the
Okay.
general idea, right, is to take a little bit of a non-traditional spin on traditional dishes, right?
Yeah.
Everybody has potatoes,
Yeah.
but here we have a German-style potato salad that I kind of made like an
Ooh.
escabeche, right? It's got shallots, capers, cornichon, and these beautiful fingerling potatoes that I got from a local store. I tend to love vinegar. I have a slight addiction to it, so please feel free to try it. It's going to be
all right,
nice
thank
and
you.
have a
my
ton of
fork is
vinegar
at the bottom.
flavor
You
in there
brought
as
your own
well.
silverware. This is like really, there's 926. There it is. This is bona fide silver. I may take it.
Oh, I love the vinegar.
And what did I say to you before we even started? I said this is my favorite type of potato
Exactly, exactly.
That's
It's the best way to
fantastic.
do it. Like,
The
and again, it's a little
perfect
bit
amount of
different,
vinegar.
right? It's a little bit lighter.
I like
it's
it.
not going to be
It's
as
bright.
heavy. It's not going to knock you out after the holidays, right?
I'm going to go for two.
This is nice
Awesome,
and bright.
even better. That's the best compliment you can give to
Amazing.
a chef.
Great.
I love it.
So here we have a mushroom conserva. So basically, it's just wild mushrooms, right? I live in New York, right? So
Yeah.
there's some amazing mushrooms that
Yes,
happen
there
all
are.
year. So you can take those and you can conserve them in a little bit of oil. This has also got some garlic, some shallots. There's a little bit of vinegar. There's also a couple other ingredients in there as well. I have some Calabrian chili in there as well, just again to kind of change it up. But again, most people have mushrooms. It's just a different way to have
Never
it.
had them like
What
this.
kind of mushrooms did you use for
So
this?
these have got cauliflower mushrooms, chanterelles, and beech.
Okay.
So a different wide
And
variety.
you did not traditionally cook them? You pickled them?
So yeah, think of them as being pickled, right? So
Let me not
I
eat
cooked
that
them
garlic.
until all of any moisture was removed
Sure.
from them, and then I added them to a liquid.
While I
fat.
have you, and you're a chef, and we're talking about mushrooms.
And they're very good.
What is what is the easiest way to clean a mushroom? Because I've been told,
So-
don't run them underwater, brush the dirt off.
So basically, I do them in water. So I do them in water. Again, at the end of the day, as long as you dry them out extremely well, you'll be fine. They're going to
You'll be
absorb
fine.
as much water if you dunk them in water or run them under a faucet.
Oh, boy.
I
I'm
mean,
gonna
you can
try
sit
your-
there
I'm
with a
gonna try
pastry
your
brush,
thing.
but good luck.
Hold on,
Come on
incoming.
in. Come on in.
Incoming.
Come join the fun.
Hello,
They
hello.
told us this was where we got sandwiches.
You know what? Stick around. There
There's
might be something
sandwiches,
for
yeah.
you. And who do we have here?
My name
focaccia.
is Mizzo. Hi, it's focaccia.
I don't want to mess up your gloves. Is that okay?
She's going to feed it to you.
100%. This is awesome.
I hope you were prepped on this
You're
this
gorgeous.
morning.
Is this-
Let's move.
is this
Let's
bread?
Yep.
Yes.
It is
Never
bread.
had it before.
Oh, shoot.
Is that what we're going to
Yeah,
next?
so we're gonna go over to here. This is a focaccia, right? It's got some really cool ingredients in it as well, and it's got some mortadella and some burrata and
try it.
some Serrano ham and some.
Oh, my
The
God.
idea is that like
All the
everybody
meats.
does a charcuterie board, right? Now you can have a little sandwich to start the day off. That way you're not having this big spread of charcuterie.
Ladies, what do we
Chef,
think?
they heard you were in town.
I know, awesome. This is perfect. This is
You don't look like you've ever eaten a carb. So, have at it. Have at
How
it.
does this work? How do you...
And then
just dig in.
You just dig in.
So here we have a brownie, and the cool thing about the brownie, and one of the things that we're going to
so good.
talk about, is that everything that you've eaten has one ingredient in common, and that is mustard. So the brownies themselves have honey mustard in them.
Oh, my goodness.
there was mustard in this.
There's mustard in there's
this.
mustard in everything. There's mustard in the bread. There's mustard in the potato salad, in the mushrooms, and in the brownie as
Okay.
well. And the reason why the mustard is in the brownie is that mustard and chocolate play the exact same as coffee and chocolate. So it enhances those flavor profiles.
What?
You're not there to taste the mustard. You shouldn't notice that you're consuming as much
It
mustard
just
as...
feels nice.
Exactly. It's just there to kind of
Chef,
enhance
can I try
everything.
the
It's like a
mustard
salt.
brownie?
Please do. Dig
Thank
in.
you. Gosh, I couldn't wait any longer.
And I tend to undercook my brownies. I like them to be ooey gooey.
You're gonna
gooey.
have to pay for that.
This is a humachi that has been sliced. It's raw. It's topped with some old-style mustard, some tomatoes, and some tahini corn nuts.
We need to get to your demo.
Yeah.
Apparently you've
so
got some magic
really quickly,
happening.
what we're going to do is we're going to make a Toota, which is basically,
this is
think
the
of it,
pizza, the
yeah, it's the
Mexican pizza.
Oaxacan, it's a
You like
Oaxacan
that?
style Mexican
Right.
pizza. So this is a masa that we made, and then we just are going to spread it with some black beans. The black beans have Dijon mustard in them, right? So I am known as a mustard sommelier.
What does that mean?
Which basically means that I am a mustard expert. I'm one of 2 in the world. I know it's not a thing that
Where's
I thought
the
there
other
was
one?
a
You
thing
want us
either.
to
Want us to take out the other one?
No, he's good. He actually trained me, so it works out extremely well.
All right, we're fine. One of one.
And the really cool thing about it is that I get to travel around, I get to study mustard, I get to understand what mustard does in food. And we're going to put a little bit of crab on top of this as well.
Oh my gosh.
Some piquito crab. So I use a little bit
crab.
of brown trading piquito crab. It's a very specific crab.
Your masa tortilla looks divine.
Oh, thank you. It's a little bit of macienda, some macienda masa there.
Wow.
And I currently work for Unilever, right? So I'm a corporate executive chef for Unilever.
Oh,
and
snap.
I work for
so
a
you're
mustard
buying
brand.
us all Christmas presents.
Maybe.
You get paid in
How's
And I
that
work,
sandwich?
I work for a mustard brand
girls.
called My.
Girls, Merry
Bye.
Christmas. Thank you
Say
for
thank
stopping
you to
by.
Chef. He's very...
Thank you. And they're out.
And they're out now. As quickly as they came, they've left. What an
Let me
interesting
go ahead and
touch.
put some pickled onions on top of here.
Wow.
We're going to put a little bit of queso fresco on top as well. And then we are going to top it with some micro mustard greens because mustard isn't just a condiment.
Singing
It
my
is a whole wide variety of deliciousness that's out there.
Great.
Right?
Fantastic.
The mustard
Awesome.
sommelier.
Yeah.
Only
It's-
2 of you.
Yeah, there's only 2 of us. There's only
And we
2
have
of
one
us
of them
in
right
the
here in
world.
our show.
Do you put that at the top of your resume?
It's on
One
some of my
2
resumes.
One
I'm not going to lie.
mustard sommeliers in
One
the
of
whole
2.
world?
I'm going to go ahead and cut these for you so that way we can dig right in. And then
And then what happens? And
get
then
to
like
eat
You
this?
eat it.
And then you get a slice.
And you get a
you
slice.
go.
And you get a slice.
you get a slice and you get
Oh,
a slice. And again,
chef.
the mustard is just there to enhance. Think of
Okay.
mustard as like a salt or a soy sauce.
Thank you, Chef.
Use it as a seasoning.
Chef Collins, thank you. This is